Hi, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to use the Data247 file upload utility. So first you need to log into your Data247 account, and then you can find the upload utility under Service Transactions, File Upload. Now the reason you would want to use our file upload utility is if you already have a spreadsheet or file containing data you want to process with Data247. So instead of going to our manual transactions page and typing them in one by one, you can send us the whole file at once, and we will send you back the result file. So the first thing you need to do is choose the service you want to use. So if you were interested in carrier information, you could choose TextAt, or if you wanted to return an email appended to your file, you could choose Append 24/7 email. We are going to choose Append 24/7 phone. You'll notice that after selecting a service, two different boxes appear. One lists additional add-on services and their price per lookup. So if you wanted to append email addresses to your file in addition to phone numbers, you could select this here. And then the other box lists optional data that can be appended to your file at no additional cost. We will select billable and cost, which will let us know whether the customer was charged for this query and what the cost was. If you are an IQDial customer and want to upload a successor's data file, you would click here. To learn more about uploading successor's data files, you can view the video tutorial on the website. So next, you will need to type in your email address here. And you'll want to make sure that this is a valid email address because this is the address where we will send a link to your processed file. This next field, max number of records to process, is an optional field. So let's say you had a large file of client contacts and you only wanted to process the first 1,000 records. You could enter 1,000 in this box and we would only process the first 1,000 records of your file. So now you can click Continue, and it brings you to the page where you can upload your file. Under Details, you can see that it shows you have selected the service Append 24/7 phone. You haven't added on any add-on services, and you have chosen billable and cost as your optional return fields. Over here, it asks for some required fields for this service, and in this case, you can select which type of data you want to provide. Next, click here to upload your file. All files must be in Excel or CSV format. If it is a text file, all data must be comma delimited with one line per record. So let's take a look at the file I am going to upload. This is an Excel file, and as you can see, each contact is on a separate line, and there are different columns for each of the contact's information, such as first name, last name, address, city, state, etc. So now let's click Continue. And we come to a page which shows us a preview of our file, and it asks you to select the different required fields for this service. In this case, we need to select name, address, city, state, and zip code. These required fields will change depending on the service. If you had selected TextAt, for example, you would only have had to provide the phone number. So now I will select my column names: first name, last name, address, city, state, and zip code. So you can see a lot of these had already been pre-selected for me. This is because I had headers in my file. If I hadn't had these headers, then I would have had to select each of these separately. So now I have told the file upload utility where to find all of the required columns in my file. I don't need to do anything with any of the other columns since a Pen 24/7 phone doesn't require this information. So now click on Upload File, and you will see a success message saying that your upload was successful and that you will receive an email when your file is finished processing. You can also click here to view your most recent file uploads. Here it shows you the file that was uploaded, the type of service chosen, the total number of records in the file, the total number of records that were successfully processed, and the result link where you can access the processed file. And that's it. Now you know how to upload a file to Data 24/7 to be processed. Thanks for watching.